Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zencastr for remote recording audio cleanups, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Zencastr website using your preferred web browser. Click on the sign up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements indicated. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your registration. Once verified, return to the Zencastr website and click on Login. Enter your email address and the password you just created. You will be directed to your Zencastr dashboard. To start a new project, click on the Create a New Episode button. Set up your audio preferences for the recording. Invite your guests by entering their email addresses in the designated field. Click on the Send Invitation button to notify your guests. When your guests accept the invitation, they will join you in the recording room. Click on the Record button to begin capturing audio. Once done, stop the recording and allow Zencastr to process the audio files. After processing, you can access the audio cleanups in your dashboard. Download the final audio files to your device when ready. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.